Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to duplicate slides in PowerPoint presentation, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to duplicate slides in PowerPoint presentation. When you are in your project, just select the slide you want to duplicate. I have here two slides. For example, the first slide I want to duplicate. Just click on it. After that, right click and then click duplicate slide. And you can see now, this is slide 1 and this is slide 2. I have duplicated the slides. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to duplicate slides in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.